Hi Aries, I'm Anisha. You can write to me by tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for June. Aries, we start the month by Uranus transiting your first house. And first house is the house of self, it's a house of your hopes and your dreams, your desires, your goals, your wishes. And Uranus is a planet of chaos, movement, and it brings about a lot of unpredictability along with it. And the best way to be dealing with a planet like Uranus is to go along with it. It's not to be fixated in your mind, have any form of a rigidity. Be very, very giving. Go with the flow whenever Uranus touches any part of your chart. And in your case, since it has to do with you, it would be wise that if you are careful about how you speak, how you communicate, how it is that you deal with others, how it is not really what it is that you're going to be saying this month, Aries. It is how is it that you're going to be saying, which is going to be, I think that is going to be the key thing for you. There's also a lunar eclipse on the 4th, and the lunar eclipse is going to make you a bit sharp. It's going to maybe it could be an outburst of sorts. Maybe you have been having some challenges. It could do with your parents, it could also do with your work life. So try and be a little easy on yourself and on others, and try not to be so demanding. And this time really calls for you to be very mellow, keep the obnoxiousness and the bluntness, or rather the forthrightness with which an Aries is normally associated. This is really not a time for you to be bulldozing into things, Aries. It's a time for you to be treading carefully and treading gently. And also, I think with the alignment that is there on the chart, there is Jupiter that is going to be moving in, and Jupiter will help you put forth your ideas accurately, but you need to be smart enough to know as to how is it that you want to present yourself, how is it that you want to be perceived at this point of time. Also this month, try not to be very manipulative, Aries. It's going to backfire very badly for you. Try to be very honest in your dealings, especially for those of you who are starting a new job or are scoping for a career or a new job opportunity, or even entrepreneurs. It's very important for you. Try not to try not to be underhand in any sort of a professional dealing. It could backfire quite badly on you, or you may not just get the opportunity. So be careful over there. Also towards the end of the month, however, there's a beautiful conjunction of Venus and Jupiter into your chart, and end of the month could see you socializing a lot, and there seems to be a lot of happy times wherein you could be getting together with a couple of friends, and you could also be spending some lovely quality time with a certain special one. So have a great month. I'll see you again next month, and thank you so much for watching.